Hi there, glad to have you here, and you are all welcome to Abu-Zulaikha Tech. So, in our today's episode, I'm going to show you one of the video compressors that you can use and compress your long video, which is having a size of a 1 gig. Then you now compress it to at least something like a 100 something or 100 megabytes. So you just go to your Play Store then and search for this video compressor. Then once you search for video compressor, once you search for it, then you are going to use this one that is having the pink orange color. This one with the orange color is one of the best video compressors that you can use, and the quality of your video still remain the same. It has no change. So you now go in there, then once you click on it, you are going to install it. You are not going to open it. So mine, it has already been installed. That is why you are seeing it has opened. But for the first time, you are just going to install it. Once it has been installed, then you now open it and see what you are going to do. And then one thing I want you to know, they normally have their own ads, and the ads they have is for the other apps they have within. But if you have money, you can buy it, but you don't need that. You can still use it without the pro version. You can use the pro option without paying. So then you now come here. If you now want to compress the video, you can see where we have compressor. Then you now click on it. Then from here you can now choose any of your video that you know that it is having a large MB. Then you now select it, then you say next. Then from there, this is where the setup is. So you can see different options. We have the medium file, then we have the medium file high quality with HD, then we have a large file, then we have large file high quality. And then I'm going to choose this so that it will maintain the originality of my video. I hope you understand. So now the next thing that you're now going to do is just to watch their ads. Just click here, watch ads, and there is no any big ad that you're going to see apart from they advertising their other apps they have within the Play Store. So now you can see it is now counting. So you are just going to watch it for 30 seconds. So they have another app which is for noise remover. They also have a video editor. So you can see that almost 3 or more apps. Then they have a noise remover. So if you want to use other app of this, then you can just install it. So once it has been done, then the next thing that you are now going to click is here. You can see where it has been said rewarded. So just press there, then you now press on next. So you are now on next. If you like, you can just edit, that is, you can change the name that you like for your video. You can change it here. So let's just edit it. So also here you can enable the high quality audio. You can see here I've already enabled it here, this function. So you have to enable it so that the audio quality will maintain. So after that, you just press on start. Then once you press on start again, they will just give you some ads. Then just close it, and that is it. So now it will now compress it until it has reached 100. So if you like, you can just minimize it. Then once it has done, you see it here where you are seeing video compressor now, right? You can see it here. So once it is done, it's now going to give a message. So then you are now going to see the final result as maybe you have 800 megabyte, then you are now having as 100 MB, or you have it at 50 megabytes. Okay, Have a wonderful day and enjoy.